60% cotton, 40% poly. Imported. Easy decorating. Dream Factory construction bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun construction theme kids' bedroom. Our bed in a bag for girls and boys with trucks, tractors, cars and planes is the perfect solution to an easy bedroom makeover or decorating a new bedroom. Dream Factory bedding sets add a whimsical look to your child's bedroom. The Comforter and Sham set features trucks, tractors, cars and planes in multiple vibrant colors. The Twin Comforter set for boys and girls includes 5 pieces. Construction bedding. Bed in a bag features a transportation theme. Decorating your child's room has never been easier with our under construction tractors and trucks bedding set. 5-piece twin set includes 1 comforter, 66 by 86 inches, 1 flat sheet, 66 by 96 inches, 1 fitted sheet, 39 by 76 plus 10 pocket, 1 pillowcase, 20 by 30 inches, and 1 sham, 20 by 26 inches. Dream Factory bed in a bag comforter sets for kids are versatile and can be mixed and matched with your favorite Dream Factory sheet sets, quilts and window curtain panels. Our kids' comforter and sheet sets are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Versatile prints. Our construction bed in a bag makes decorating easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Our soft and snuggly comforters are made to last and can be enjoyed year-round for all-season comfort. Perfect for summer, autumn, spring and winter, when layered with a blanket. This durable bedding set is perfect for girls or boys ages 3 to 5 years, 5 to 8 years, 8 to 12 years or tweens. Use this cute Dream Factory trucks, tractors, cars decor kids comforter bedding set at home or in your vacation home. Durable soft comforter. Sham face reverse, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, comforter fill, 100% polyester, sheet set, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, 180 thread count. We use fabrics that feel good on your children's skin so they are comfortable all night long. We make your life a little bit easier with long-lasting fabric that maintains its softness and vibrant colors wash after wash. Our construction bedding comforter, sham and sheet set is machine washable and easy to clean. Comforter is filled with 100% polyester to keep kids cozy and warm. Easy care. Machine washable cotton polyester fabric. Update your kids' bedroom and bathroom with coordinating Dream Factory trucks, tractors, cars decor. Coordinating Dream Factory bathroom accessory set, shower curtain, bath towels, bath rug, storage bins, window curtain panels and sheet sets are each sold separately. Gift idea. Give a cozy gift to family, friends, children and grandchildren for birthdays, holidays or special occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful bedding set at a great price. I bought this set for my 4-year-old grandson, who likes any mode of transportation, and he absolutely loves it. The pattern of the sheets, pillow, sham and comforter are exactly as they are pictured and I really like the quality of all the products. The comforter keeps him very warm at night and so far, it seems very durable. Just after receiving the merchandise, my grandson got the stomach flu and needless to say, the bedding, comforter and sheets were washed a lot. Even after all those washings, there was no shrinkage and the colors remained just as vibrant as when they came out of the package the very first time. I also like the ease with which his bed can now be made. The comforter lays flat, no billowing or puckering, and it really stays in place, which helps to keep his room looking neat and tidy. I am very pleased with my purchase and would definitely recommend this set to anyone.